another day. So last night we was at another campsite. Where's Willow Valley? What do you think?
Nice.
Like
Very friendly people. Lovely,
yes,
clean.
actually the guy is really friendly, and the lady.
Nice. Yes.
Very
Managed to finally do my laundry. All my
laundry's
washing.
done. Yeah, laundry's done. We're so we did have a little trip out yesterday. I don't know if I've already put that up. We did Port Isaac. I haven't put that up yet.
Right.
Pretend I've never said that.
So, very, very steep hills.
Yes, very steep hills. Today, a bit overcast. It's just starting to rain a bit. But look at this. We're walking up to St Nectans Glen, which is a waterfall, which we really wanted to see. But look at this view. This is, we turn you around, just grab you by the head and turn you. There you go. Look at that. That's up here. So it's a car park down there. We're actually very early. Normally here about 9:30ish, they reckon. So because of, well, Peggy the van's a bit slow, to say the least, and Val's not pedalling properly.
No.
So, you know, if she was to pedal harder, we get here quicker.
Do my wheel a bit.
Yeah. So we got here at 9. Did we get at 9? Yeah, 9.
Yeah. It's only 15
So
minutes.
it's half an hour walk down to the Glen. We're going to show you all that. We're going to vlog all that for you. But look at that view, isn't that beautiful? There's a caravan site over there. I don't know yet. With that must be really nice. So
The haze coming off.
that'd be really nice. Yeah. A mermaid. Do you see it? Yeah. Because we didn't see the mermaid, is there? She disappeared. Yeah. So Peggy's going really well.
Fire.
Yeah, fire over there. Yeah, Peggy's going well. We're getting really quick at doing the awning now, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're
No,
like
did it well good.
really
yesterday.
quick, and it looks tidier. We've got to reduce the amount of stuff we take with us. Yes, we have. Yeah, we've got to take around. We've got far too much. I mean, the dressing table was a bit over the top, wasn't it? Right? I mean, we got a shower. I mean, I thought that was over the top. I mean, I don't shower for about a month.
Oh, no, I can smell you from here.
No, I don't. So, right, St Nectans Glen next. We're going back to the campsite. Then we're going to have a meal later. So we're chilling out a bit because we're out of Cornwall then. Tomorrow we're going down to Somerset.
Cheddar Gorge.
Yep. And got another campsite there. We've not had any bad ones really, have we?
Nope.
All been good?
You've all been good.
They've all got a niggly, everything's got a niggly, one thing wrong with it, two things wrong with
The
it, whatever.
worst star rating that we've given was Haven Holiday Camping.
Yes. Yeah, although it was a lovely campsite.
The caravan was lovely. It was just everything else that went with it. Rubbish.
Yeah. It was just, and we had some really nauseous, horrible, good neighbours. Right? So inconsiderate wasn't the word. So, you know, nice quiet holiday camp. Next thing you know, boom, how old were they? 50s, 60s, right? Big loud music going on, you know. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I mean, I don't mind a bit of music, but that's just crazy, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's go down there. Making a run. The postman's making a run. He's got a good little route, isn't he? That's cool. Yeah, he's going to run us over, it was. Yeah, so they were really noisy. And, well, Val's got this short temper, very slightly. So
anybody that I work with at Pole Hill Farm Shop will know that.
Yeah, Yeah, she doesn't take falls
Do not suffer falls
mildly.
gladly.
She doesn't know. So she nearly pulled the caravan window in through the door thing when she slammed it to give them that message. And it took a little while to sink into them, didn't it?
Yeah, but we got there.
They slammed that door. Hang on, must be for a reason, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's like they took a while, and then all of a sudden they thought, oh, we've got neighbours. I suppose I sounded like thingy then, didn't I? Joe Pasquale came into it.
We ain't the
got
quietest people
Eh?
at all. We ain't the quietest people.
No,
But
no.
there's about giving respect, and we found on all
Yeah.
the camps that would have been to, you give a bit of respect. Yeah,
But
you
it was
play-
really loud. It
you
wasn't
have,
like,
you have your music
yeah.
that you can hear, you know, and you have your laughing, joking, and your chatting and all that lot. But these was really obnoxious.
I mean, when they turned it down, it was
Very obnoxious
fine. It was fine. We could still hear it, but it was fine, you know. It was like, but it was so loud. It was like a disco going on, like. And then their singing would have killed people. Do you know, it was that bad. It was like a witch's song, that chanting. You know, so we must now really bad. We're getting old. We can't stand music. We're supposed to be going deaf when you get old, aren't you?
When you said, oh, they was weren't that 50s or 60s. So are we.
Yeah, we are. I'm not. Look at these legs. Look, upside down legs. Do they look like 50-year-old legs with boots on?
Oh gosh.
Yeah. So you go out in a t-shirt going, I'm gonna look cool. I better take a jumper. Oh yes, it's early. You know, you're not cool anymore at 50, are you? So. But you still try and be. Yeah. It's a lovely walk down here anyway, so there's nothing. I can't really show you a lot, really, so I'm just like, if I take you around that way, you can have a look while what I can see.
We've got to get back up this.
Yeah, well, it's not as bad as yesterday. Yesterday's one was really quite steep at Port Isaac. Lovely people, though. I'll tell you what, the people we met on the way, their driving stinks. I got to admit, they do need a retest down here. A lot of people there's some really, the guy when we was coming down the 30 and he would not let me pull in.
Yeah.
The road had narrowed, he would not let me pull in. He just sat next to me and pushed me out into the middle of the road. Oncoming traffic. And I'm like, I didn't lose my temper. I just thought, yeah, okay. It's double dotted line, so I went down it and passed all the traffic and got in where someone had left the gap. But he was a total beep, 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 beep.
And that young girl that was driving up
The young
that
girl,
hill
yeah.
and bibbed us.
Yeah, she come round the corner in the country lanes and bibbed us for no reason. So, because she wanted all the, obviously it was her road. I forgot. I didn't own that road. She must have a thing.
The roads are narrow.
It was really narrow, and we was like coming around the corner, and she came around the other side. Beep. So I gave her with our one. Checkmate. Ours is a better horn. I think that's what she was doing. She got into just horn competition, it's called. Yeah, there's no need to lose your temper. Come down here, old girl.
Hey, let's sit down.
Right, so yeah. So that's our rant over anyway.
Here we are at St Nectans Glen. We're walking down to the waterfalls and we've a nice little stream that runs through it. If you ever come... This could be a better picture of listening to the sound.
Someone's built a little monument there. And there's another one just there. You can see it, a little stack of, looks like slate. I reckon that's the pixies. Yeah.
Beautiful and clear, the water.
What is that? Piskies, that is. Not pixies, piskies.
Really big ones like that, yeah. Let's make a little one. Here's mine.
Splits in two there. See? How fantastic. Here we are at Nectans Glen. We are just walking down to see all the waterfalls. This is a nice little stream that runs through it. Can you hear the wonderful noise of the water?
Some random bits and pieces. Now we've gone through the shop. $5.95 each for adult, which ain't bad, is it? And down there, see the stag standing there? You see it?
Oh, I thought you meant a real one then. I didn't even suppose.
He's a real stag there. So. Yeah. It's quite cool actually. There's some like, let's see if I can get some close-up stuff of it. And people have wrote little things on them. I wonder whether there's like vacant ones that you can write on. But like really nice, look. Health and happiness. People have left bracelets up here. I don't know what it's all about, but
Wishing tree.
it's a wishing tree.
Or a good luck tree, whatever you want to call it.
Is it a good luck tree? Oh, we found out what the stones mean, didn't we?
Oh yes.
The guy in the shop told us. So the guy in the shop said the stones are from an old Celtic tradition that dates back years and years. And what it is, it's a worry stones, worry stones. So what you do, you start off with your biggest worry, put it on the bottom of the stack, and obviously come up, and it's supposed to lessen your worries apparently. Yeah, quite nice. The guy said he has so many that he has to knock them down, otherwise it just it tempts the children into the river. So I can see what he means. It is lovely.
Neptune coming to claim his mermaids.
Yes. But didn't you say not pixies? What did you say? It's fairies? Fairies. Something to do with fairies anyway.
Worry fairies.
Worry, yeah, from Celtic times when they used to think about fairies and stuff. That's that sort of thing. There's a lot of steps here, so you know. Hope you're feeling fit when you come up here. 30-minute walk to the top. Can be longer. And it's quite slippery as well. So here's some of the steps are down to there. We've got to walk all the way down there, all the way down there, around there, somewhere over there.
Didn't they say they had 3? Oh, it looks like there's a face in that cliff.
Sorry?
It looks like there's a face in it. There's the eyes, there's the nose, there's the mouth and chin.
Sure. That's amazing. All them years, it's probably worked its way down to the top bit and worn it all the way slowly. Yeah.
And there's another one. See? All coins. More for the fairy stacks, which are, as we found out, the no worry stacks. And in the bench, you've got money. It's a wishing bench. See?
And the log over there. And loads of little of those stacks again. We're at the top, getting up there. We've gone all the way down, up there, and this is beautiful. There's loads of coins been hammered into the wood that you can see there, tapped into the wood. They're wishing for wishing, you know, and there's loads of little messages left around on rocks, on the tree. There's some hearts with people obviously passed away, I believe, and the little stones, loads of them again. People building up little stones just by this little waterfall here. Very mesmerising. Sound is just amazing. There's loads of little ribbons people have brought up, obviously to do with people they've lost, or a memory or something like that, but it's really, really sweet, really lovely. Even in the bench, isn't there, there's oh my god, didn't see that one. Yeah, look, there's in the bench, there's actually one not been hammered in, look. I wonder if I can get it hammered in. Do you reckon I could? If we got a bit of wood or a hold that and I'm going to do one. I'm gonna make my own one. For eternity. It's gonna be there forever. I'm gonna put it. I think it'd be easier to go in the side. Unless you bump anything there. Oh, that's no good. There's mine. Or that's our one. So you gonna make a wish, babe? Make a wish. That's my one there, alright? Our one.
Awesome.
Someone obviously couldn't hit it in, so we've done it for them. It's a weird.
We stole their wish. We could do our own one as well.
Yeah, you got some. Oh, yeah. Put that one in for someone else. And this is our one. So, well,
They just put 50p in, huh?
50p.
They're all 50p's, aren't they? Yeah.
So we do what, one
It's lucky what we want on bingo, so the lucky one.
each?
Yeah, can do.
We're going to do 50p. We're not skinflints.
We won them on bingo.
Yeah. So,
What did you do with that rock? Oh, Sam.
yeah. I'll do. You want to do yours or shall I do mine first?
Yeah, you do yours, buds.
Are you ready? My wish. Shall I get yours tapped? I'll tap yours in just slightly so it's restarted. Because it's hard to get. Oh, simple start. Might be better than this. There you go on, do yours. I've started it off. Hey.
Back down there for the next person.
Yeah. So we both made a wish. I'm not telling you what it is because it won't come true. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Now that is wonderful.
How awesome is that? Somebody got wet there.